Welcome to Tally Help Videos. In this video, you will learn how to validate GSTIN or UIN information for parties online using TallyPrime. You may want to validate the GSTIN or UIN information, such as trade name or legal name, mailing address, GSTIN status, and EWB block status of parties, so that the transactions have authentic party details. Validation of GSTIN or UIN information ensures that you do not miss out on input tax credit because of invalid or blocked GSTIN or UIN. Moreover, your returns, e-way bills, and e-invoices will not get rejected because of invalid or blocked GSTIN or UIN. It also ensures that fraudulent vendors with fake GST numbers and other information will be identified before you do business with them. And if there are any manual errors in entering the GST number of a party, then you can identify and correct them too. TallyPrime Release 2.0 onwards, you can validate GSTIN or UIN information online from within TallyPrime for single party and multiple parties. For this, you need to enable GST along with either e-invoicing or e-way bill at the company level. Furthermore, to validate GSTIN or UIN using TallyPrime, you need to log in using either e-invoicing or e-way bill credentials based on the feature that is enabled. If both features are enabled, then you will need to log in with e-invoicing credentials. Let's see how to validate the information for a single party at the party ledger level. It is recommended to validate the GSTIN or UIN information for a party at the time of ledger creation. However, you can also validate later in the ledger alteration mode. Press Alt-G, go to Alter Master, and then Ledger. Type or select the party for whom GSTIN validation is to be done, and press Enter. The ledger alteration screen appears. Press Alt-L or click Get GSTIN UIN Info. The e-way bill login screen appears, as you can see. If e-invoicing is enabled in the company, then the e-invoice login screen will appear. Enter your username and password. You will remain logged in for the next 6 hours, provided you do not turn off the system you are working on or reset the credentials. Press Enter. As soon as TallyPrime exchanges the information with the e-way bill portal, the Get GSTIN UIN info screen for the party appears. You can compare the information as per the books and portal and update in your party ledger if needed. If the GST number entered in the party ledger is wrong or invalid, then the request for GSTIN validation will be rejected by the portal, with the reason of rejection as invalid GSTIN. However, if the request fails due to network issues or some other problems, then you can try again. Now let's see how to validate GSTIN online for multiple parties at one shot. Press Alt-G, type or select Update Party GSTIN, and press Enter. Select the group under the name of group. Let's consider that you want to validate GSTIN of sundry creditors. Select Sundry Creditors and press Enter. Under Name of Ledger, select All Items to validate the GSTIN for all the parties under the group. As you can see, the Update Party GSTIN screen appears with all the sundry creditors. Now, press Alt-L or click Get GSTIN UIN Info. You can press C for Current Party. Subsequently, GSTIN will be validated for the party selected in the Update Party GSTIN report. Press A for all parties. In the confirmation screen, press Y to accept. As you can see, TallyPrime exchanges data with the e-way bill portal. You will get an exchange summary with the GSTIN UIN info received successfully, requests rejected by e-way bill portal or e-invoice portal as applicable, and requests failed if any. Press any key to continue. You can now see that a column called Set GSTIN UIN Info gets added in the Update Party GSTIN report. It is important to know that the column will not be retained if you close the report. In the column, Enable Set GSTIN UIN Info for a party by selecting Yes. Thereafter, a screen with GSTIN UIN info for the party appears. You can compare the information as per portal and as per books and update in the books if needed. For example, let's update the registration type and trade name of the party in the books as per that on the portal. Press Ctrl-A to save. As you can see, the registration type for the party is updated in the Update Party GSTIN report. As demonstrated, validating GSTIN or UIN information for parties in your company data is a simple process after which you can update the information in the party ledgers so that your